Welcome to Cavite State University Main Campus. Located in the heart of Indang, I am Alisa and I will be your tour guide for today. So, are you all excited to be one of the most prestigious historical universities under the sun? Yes! Alright, but before that, please remind us that your safety is our priority. Please remember the word enjoy. E stands for enjoy responsibly. You can take pictures or you can enjoy the view, fresh air, but please, our school is a GIGO protocol, which is garbage in, garbage out. Next is N. N is for wait, I will count you first. 1, 2, 3, 11, great. N is never wandered alone. Please stay focused in your join your group. If you want to use restroom or if you want to take a rest, please inform me. J is for just respect for this. Let's be courteous, guys. Tayo po ay nasa university. Please respect the people or mga locals here. O is obey and listen to your guide. If I whistle once, it says that you can roam around and enjoy the facility. But when I whistle twice, it seems our time's up. So we are going to next destination. And last is Y. Sabi ko pa sa inyo kanina, your safety is our priority. So, if you may injured po sa inyo or let me help with this one, please inform me. I have my first aid kit here and our CBSE infirmary is lagi po nandyan. So, ano nga po ulit yung word? Great!
Yan, nasa tayo ng Cavite State University. Ngayon, a little background lamang po. 1906, nag-start ang Cavite State University, pero hindi pa po itong pangalan niya. It's Indang Intermediate School. Noong January 22, 1998 lamang po, naging official na Cavite State University ang name ng main campus. At alam niyo ba, ngayon 11 campuses na ang meron sa buong Cavite ng Cavite State University. At ang sobrang lawak ng campus na ito ay 76.6 hectares at ang ating presidente ngayon ay si Maria Agnes P. Nuestro. Siya ay pang 4th president na at kaka-elect lang ng January 31, 2025.
Okay, tourists, na tayo sa ating first stop, the International House 2. We call it IH2. IH2 is officially ladies dormitory, pero ngayon ay nire-renovate siya at pinapaganda. But hindi lamang yun ang IH2. Nandito din ang aming CBSU bookstore or we call it marketing center, kung saan dito bumibili ang mga estudyante ng libro, uniform, PE, at hindi lamang yun, meron din kami mga merchandise. Anong gusto nyo? Hoodie ba? Or payong ba? Meron na meron kami dito. At hindi lang din yon, marami talagang function ng IH2. Nung nakaraan, dito kami nanood ng theater at dito din minsan ginaganap yung mga event for students.
Nakikita nyo ang aming CBSU Oval, kung saan ang laki niya is 400 meter. Kalamitan, dito ginaganap ang mga CBSU U Games. At hindi lamang yon, marami din mga event na pwede dito. Next naman, dito tinatawag naming open field kung saan pwede kayo dito mag-relax at also mag-play ng games. Ayan, pwede din kayo tumambay dito at kita nyo naman na sobrang daming puno at malamig here. In my right, you can see the LHSS, which is the Laboratory Science High School. This high school are training ground for College of Education or the future teacher. This high school are focuses in math, science, and research. So, in my left, you can see the ROTC headquarters of College of Criminal Justice. Dito, kita nyo ang headquarters at kung saan din, nandito yung mga gamit nila for drills and for training. For example, their uniform and yung mga guns, pero packing guns lang yan. So, next, let's go! So, ngayon, ito nakikita nyong rooms are its CTHM, which is the College of Tourism and Hospitality Management. Before, wala pa talaga kaming department. Or, naka-under lang kami sa SED, which is the College of Education. Pero noong January 23, 2025, nagkaroon na kami ng sariling department at it's called College of Tourism and Hospitality Management. So ngayon, nandito tayo sa CED, College of Education. In 1992, hindi pa CED ang pangalan niya, is SED, which is School Education. This CED offers program elementary, secondary, and early childhood. And dito, meron din nagtitraining grounds, for example, sa LSHS, which is yung pinakita namin sa inyo kanina, at sa CDC. For our next, it is Administration Building or Admin Building, kung saan tinuturing siyang brain of CBSU. Kasi dito ay maraming nag-ooperate, kung saan dito din located yung office ni Dr. Maria Agnes P. Nuestro. Dito din sa, ayan, nakikita niyo yung space na to. Dito din nagpa-flag ceremony ang mga teacher and yung mga school student. Ayan, nagtataka ba kayo kung bakit may ganyan? We called it Friendship Arc. Kita siya ng friendship with Filipino-Chinese upang makita kung upang magkaroon ng connection. Yes. Yan dito, may part po dito na pwede po kayo bumili ng mga pagkain, like sa mga student. Pwede po sila dito magbenta ng mga food, hindi nila mga food, mga souvenir stand or anything na pwede pa mabenta. You can see the building here. We called it Old SEMS, which is the College of Economics and Management and Development. SEMS started in 1998. Okay, let's go. So here, you can see our museum. Next, makikita nyo po itong building na to. We call it Graduate School and Open Learning College. Kung saan, kung sino po yung gusto ng masteral degree, meron po dito sa CBSU. At hindi lamang po, yung Open Learning College are also offering to students that who want online learning or modular. Ayan, next, makikita natin yung University Museum kung saan makikita natin kung saan nga ba talaga nagmula yung CBSU. So, ang mga historical information at hindi lamang yun. Siyempre, meron din tayo mga makaluma or mga luma na gamit na makikita dyan. So, ito, makikita nyo yung maraming upuan, we called it batipot. Kung saan, ayan, nakikita nyo, maraming tambay na estudyante here. Sometimes, dito din kami tumatambay, lalo na pag yung mga classroom ay hindi pa available or hinihintay namin yung mga prof namin. Pwede din kayo tumambay dyan. Okay. Next. Ayan. College of Art and Science. We called it CAS. Here, the people are created noong February 1992, which is they are offering BS Biology, BS Journalism, BS Psychology, and many more. Okay, next you will see the building. It is Gender and Development Resource Center, which this center stands for CBSU Commitment for Equality and Awareness. Okay. Okay. So, ngayon, nandito tayo sa Centennial Jar. It was built on 2006 because of 100 years anniversary of Cavite State University. Ito ang kanilang naging proyekto. At it symbols of pagkakaisa, pagmamahal sa universidad. It also represents the CBSU core values, which is the truth, excellence, and service. Okay? Next, let's go to our next stop. Next, it's our Science Cafe. Okay. It serves, syempre, mga cafe. Pwede kayong pumunta dyan if you want to refreshment. And then, for the next, makikita nyo yung malaking green building dyan. Kita nyo naman. Yan. It is our library. It's 6th floor. So, sobrang taas ng library namin. Ibig sabihin, marami kaming libro dito. At it's also air-conditioned. If gusto nyo magpalamig, ayan. Masaya din sa library namin kasi sobrang daming, may marami din mga upuan. Pwede kayong mag-rest at mag-read ng book. Okay, next. Next, it is, pag nakikita nyo yung itong building na to, it is for our research facility. And then, next is the new SEBS. Kung may old SEBS doon, meron tayong new SEBS. Okay, it is our IH1. Kung may IH2, syempre may IH1 muna. It also called International House 1, which is, dito nag-accommodation yung mga guests o yung mga exchange student or mga international guests, pwede sila dyan. And it also serve as, may mga hospitality student po kami dito na minsan dyan sila nag-OJT at nagpa-practice. And Hindi lang yon, meron din kaming kitchen lab yan, or we call it also storage room. And sa second floor, ito ay ginagawa ding room for College of Medicine. Okay. That's it. So, it means that you can roam around and enjoy the facility, but meron lang tayong oras, and pwede po kayo mag-picture or mag-enjoy ng the view if pwede din kayo mag-order, but please, alam niyo po, sinabi ko sa inyo, garbage in, garbage out po tayo. So, ayan, babalik po ako, and then, okay.
Jar, ikaw na. Mag-picture lang. Ito ka, Jar.
So guys, it's time's over. So, halika na for the next destination. This building, yung maraming hagdanan. It's called Department of Biological Science, which is under siya ng CAS. So, ayan, sa mga biological program, nandito po ang ating department. So, next, come here, our tourists. Okay. Next, itong green na building naman na yan. It's called our College of Nursing. Mayroon tayong nursing dito. Know that our College of Nursing are in 5th ranking in top performing examination. Ayan, di ba? Tignan nyo, ganun kakatalino ang aming nursing here. So, alika na. So, now we are here in Hostel Tropicana. Ayan. Tingin po kayo here. Ayan. So, ngayon, nasa under renovation po siya kasi pinapaganda at para mas maganda yung service nila. And also, it also serve as HM facilities or mga nag-on-the-job training. Pwede sila dyang mag-OJT kasi it's also a working hotel, which is gumagana talaga siya at nagpa-function. So, if dadiretsuhin natin yan, makikita natin ng Agri-Eco Tourism Park, which is also which is DOT credited po siya. And pwede po kayong dumalo doon. Makakita kayo ng maraming kinds of plants. And also, meron doon mga tulay. And basta maganda doon. And maraming mga kubo. Pwede kayong mag-relax doon kasi sobrang hangin doon. Next, ang aming CBSU Lagoon. Saan kayo nakakitang school na may lagoon? Dito lang sa CBSU. Ayan. So, dyan, makakita kayo ng mga koi fish. Pwede po kayo magpakain ng koi fish. At hindi lamang po koi fish. Ayan, nakikita niyo po ba yung maraming puno? Ayan, iba-ibang klase din po siya ng mga puno. Ayan. So, next. Ayan. So, syempre, hindi ko kayo hahayaang hindi mapicturean ng aming lagoon. So, ayan, I give you 10 minutes. So, to take a picture and cram about the facility. Ano na? Tara na. So, guys, our time is over. So, let's go to the next destination. So, for our last stop is Inang Kalikasan. Bakit siya ginawa? Sabi daw kasi dati ng mga local tourists dito, meron daw diwata nagbabantay sa spring. So, like, ginawa yan to serve or para mas alalahanin natin kung gaano nga ba talaga ka-importante yung kalikasan. So, next, if makikita nyo, ayan, yung may daanan dito, it's also, we call it Saluisoy, kung saan pwede kayong bumili ng pagkain, mag-lunch with the friends. Tapos, after nun, pag bababa lang kayo ng onte, meron kaming pool doon. We call it Saluisoy Swimming Pool. Okay, next. So next, it's our international conversion or we call it ICON. Kung saan dito ay marami ginaganap na event like a graduation, open forum, and overall na kung saan kailangan ng malaking space. Okay, this is our ICON. It's also an air condition. Okay. Next, it is after ng ICON, we also have a Rolly Hall kung saan ito yung unang-unang naging building bago magkaroon ng ICON. Pwede din, dito din ginaganap ang mga event, pero it's like a small event. That's all. It is as we end on our tour. I hope you enjoy visiting our Cavite State University. And sana nag-enjoy kayo at marami kayo natutunan sa akin. And by the way, once again, I'm Alisa J. Kang on behalf of College of Tourism and Hospitality Management. Thank you for visiting Cavite State University. Ayan, nagtataka ba kayo kung bakit meron na ganyan? Huwag kayo tumawa!
Kasi ako.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. On my left. 2024, nag-FIP ang nursing. Wait lang. Food, mga souvenir stand or anything na pwede pa mabenta.